Something is happening, it's changing everything. Do you know why? Soon as you started to kiss me, something new suddenly hit me. The world over, it's always happening, same sort of thing to others too. Something is happening to me, and I only hope the same thing happening to you. Something is happening, exciting, bewildering, there's no why. Something is happening, I can't think of anything but you. What begins is only notions. You do things to my emotions. I can't tell whatever's happening. There's nothing about it I can do. Something's happening to me, and I only hope the same thing is happening to you. Well, hi there pluckers, I have Sore Fingers again with you with a bit of fun. This is nothing too serious, okay? This is an old song from Herman's Hermits and Peter Noon, of course, lead singer, and the song's called Something Is Happening, which was a hit for them in 1968, okay? I think it was December 1968, okay? So this is a version for a single acoustic guitar for a Campfire. It's a simplified version. The main difference being that the actual original version changes key 3 times. It starts in A, goes to B flat, and ends up in B, okay? And I didn't do that, I just stayed in A, okay? So it's a simplified version. Sorry for all those people that would have liked to have seen it change key, but I'm not doing it. It's a Campfire version, okay? So let's get to it. So standard tuning, okay, no capos, like I say, doing it in the same key as the original recording from Herman's Hermits, and it's in the original key, starts off in A, okay, which is what we'll be doing. Right then, boys and girls, the intro. So I'm starting off with an A chord, that's like an F shape on the 5th fret. So the F shape chord, but on the 5th fret it's an A, that makes an A chord. And what we're doing with this is we're strumming 4 downwards, strings 4 downwards, okay, and we're alternating between the A chord and adding your pinky to that chord. Keep that as it is, but add your pinky to the 7th fret of the 2nd string, the B string, okay. So you've got one like that, and then one with pinky on it, and you do that 3 times on. So off, on, off, on, off, on, right? Do 3 of those. That's an A chord to an A6, okay? And then what you do then, after you've done 3 of those, is you slide that pinky, hit the note, and slide it up to the 9th fret on the 2nd string, and hit that again. So, and then back to the 7th. So it's, so now you've got this. Got the idea? Do that once again very slowly. And then the second half of this is the same sort of thing, but on an E chord, basic E chord, nothing's fancy. Strum, and then add your pinky to the 2nd fret of the top E string. Same idea. So you've got E, and we got this one, and that's like an E add 9. Same idea, but this time you slide from 2 to 4 with your pinky or whichever finger you're using. 2 hits on that and back to the 2nd top E string, okay? So the whole thing slowly. Okay, and that's your intro. Right, the song proper. So we're into A, straight up forward A chord. Something is happening and it started happening when U is an E chord, standard E chord. You walk by, stay there. Something is happening and it's is E7. So when it gets to it's E7. All I do is take that third finger off the E chord. So you're left with two fingers, second on the fifth, first on the third. Open fourth string, and that makes an E7. Okay, all 6 strings is fine. So from the beginning, something is happening and it started happening when you walk by. Something is happening. E7. Changes back to A. You know why. Soon as, that's the verse basically. Now we're going into the chorus, okay? Soon as A7, that's an A chord with an open third string. So it's second on the fourth and second on the second string. Open third string, open top E string, open fifth string, 5 downs. Okay? So it goes, soon as A7, you started to kiss me, something D, you suddenly hit me. And then we'll go to D minor, and it's like down stabs. The world over, 4 stabs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 downwards, 1, 2, 3, 4, back to A. Where are we? Soon, the world's over, A, it's always happening, E, the same sort of things to others, A, 2 strokes on A, and then 2 strokes on A7 again. Okay, so let's go all the way from right from the beginning up to that point. Okay, so we'll do the intro as well, just for fun, slowly. Something is happening, it started happening when you walked by. Something is happening, it's changing everything to you. Oh, why? Soon as you started to kiss me, something new suddenly hit me. The world's over, it's always happening, the same sort of thing to others too. Okay, so as far as we've got, back to the D minor, not the D major, the D minor. Something is happening to A, me, and I only hope that E. Same thing is happening to intro, you. We start all over again with the second verse. Something is happening, exciting the world. You must know why. Something is happening. E7, A7. What begins is only notions. You do deep things. My emotion stabs. I can't tell what. A, E, A to A7, D minor, something is happening to A, E, intro. And then to finish, I just played an A6 in that form. So barring the first 4 strings on the second fret with the first finger, open A string, 5th string, 5 downwards. Classic 60s sort of finishing chord. Okay, so that's just the 2 verses and 2 choruses. Okay, after that it goes into sort of singing along, la 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 type of, same thing as the verse and the chorus, but la 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 sort of thing. Okay, and then singing the chorus probably, I can't remember, but that's all there is in it.